Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
And in fact, a few counties going back to school this morning, and yeah, it felt like back to school weather, right? The humidity low today. Now the temperatures are heating up. It still is July going into August, so can't get out of that. Temperatures back into the 90s today through Friday, but showers and storms, those will be on the increase. Yes, once again, just in time, guess what? For your weekend plan. Seems like every weekend's been like that, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening outside right now. And really just a beautiful day, a little bit of hazy sunshine, but we will take it. Watch the chopper fly by, and here we go. There it is. There, where are you? There you are. All right, some hazy sun across West Midtown right now, and it's just a really, really nice feeling day, although the temperatures, yes, they are beginning to come up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the setup right now. And across our neck of the woods, across our portion of the country, in fact, there is some clearing that is working in. The satellite and radar showing us that there are some showers and storms over the eastern Gulf of Mexico, but really not a whole lot that is happening right here in North Georgia. This is with a cold front. Remember, sank through with all that severe weather a couple of nights ago. Well, now all that mess is over southern Alabama and into the Florida coastline. What we are enjoying is some drier weather. The water vapor imagery showing this kind of gold color moving in from the north. That means lack of moisture in the atmosphere, low humidity. Fair weather, high pressure, our fair weather friend today and tomorrow. Yes, that is going to keep the temperatures on the hot side for sure, but seasonably so. Let's go ahead and take a look at the temperatures right now. And no more of those temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. Now we're at 84 in Atlanta, 86 out at Eatonton and Griffin at 82 degrees, and that dry air really set up. So the heat index also in the low to mid 80s right now. So we will take it while we can get it. Now, as we head into the afternoon, as the kids are getting off the bus, perhaps temperature is going to be in that 85 to 90 or so range, a little hotter down south and southeast. And then as we head into the rest of the evening, maybe sit out on the porch, enjoy. We'll be right near 90 by 5:30, and also through about, say, 7 p.m. Expect those temperatures in 9:30 in the 70s to near 80, and overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. We're going to see those temperatures settling down into the 60s to near 70 degrees. So I'm loving that forecast there. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast and enjoying temperatures at 92 today. I say enjoy because the humidity stays low. That'll be the case for tomorrow as well. Saturday, Sunday, next weather alert days because showers and storms over the weekend. Sunday, the wettest of the 2 days, and it stays that way into early next week.